So now we can see one problem in current division rule and voltage division technique. Okay, so here see the problem. Find the value of I1 and I2. Also find the voltage drop across each resistor. You want to find the value of I1, I2 and also the voltage drop across each resistor. So it is the circuit. Okay, so here you want to find I1, I2 and voltage drop across each resistor. Here how many resistors are there? 4 resistors. 5 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 1 ohm. So now see, these two resistors are parallel. So parallel means what is the formula? 1 by R2 divided by 1 by R3, or R2 into R3 divided by R2 plus R3. Okay, so here 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. So what is the answer? 2 ohm. So these two resistors are simplified as a one resistor because both are parallel. So it becomes R equivalent value, that is 2. So now what is total resistance value? Here now it is shorted 2 resistors shorted to 1 resistor. So now there are 3 resistors. These 3 resistors are series. So the total resistance value is 5 plus 2 plus 1, that is 8 ohm. Okay, so now we have one voltage and one resistance. So total current find பண்ணிக்கலாமா? What is total current? V by R. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R. So you got 12 by 8 is equal to 1.5 ampere. So it is the total current. It is the total resistance. So now we can easily find the current across the resistance 3 ohm and current across the resistance 6 ohm. Because what is the current across the resistance 3 ohm, I ohm? The total current. We have find the total current. Okay, you can apply the current division rule. So in order to apply the current division rule, what is the formula? I1 is equal to IT, total current, into opposite resistance value. So R2 divided by Rn plus R2. So write the value I1 equal to the total current we have find 1.5. So opposite resistance. Okay, in order to you are finding I1 means what is the opposite resistance value? 6 ohm. 6 ohm divided by 6 plus 3. So what is the answer? 1 ampere. And next is the I2. In order to find I2, what is the total resistance? 1.5. And Rn value is 3 divided by Rn plus R2 is 6 plus 3. So what is the answer? 0.5 ampere. So I1 is 1 ampere and I2 is 0.5 ampere. Okay, and next, so we have find the current value, and next is the voltage value. So you want to find the voltage drop across each resistor. Okay, you want to find voltage drop across each resistor. So in order to find the voltage drop, you want to apply the voltage division rule. So what is voltage division rule? The total voltage into the resistance, there is a corresponding resistance. In current division rule, we will write the opposite resistance value. In voltage division rule, you want to write the corresponding resistance value. Okay, so R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So first you want to find the voltage drop across R1 resistor. So what is the total voltage? What is the total voltage? Here the total voltage value is 12 volt into, okay, R1, and that is the total voltage is 12 volt into, what is R1 value? That is the corresponding resistance value 5. Okay, and now what is the total resistance value? We have find the total resistance is 8 ohm. Okay, so total resistance value is 8. So after simplifying, we got the voltage drop across the resistor R1 is 7.5. And next you want to find the voltage drop across the resistor R2. Okay, in order to find R2, total voltage is 12 volt and the corresponding 3 divided by total resistance is 8. Okay, so what is the answer? You got the answer is 3 volts. So now listen, these two resistors are in parallel. So if two resistors are in parallel, then the voltage which flows along the resistors are same. Resistors voltage வந்து parallel இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதில் ஃப்ளோ ஆகிற வோல்டேஜும் இதில் ஃப்ளோ ஆகிற வோல்டேஜ் எப்படி இருக்கும்? சேமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ இங்கே ரெசிஸ்டர் இருக்கனால நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? ஸ்ப்ளிட் ஆகும். இதே இது see here, there is a voltage 12 volt here and here there is one resistor and here there is one resistor, means same this 12 volt will flows along these two resistor. Okay, so we have find the current we have find the value, that is 3 volt. That is voltage voltage drop along the resistor R2 is 3 volt. Then the same voltage drop will along this resistor, that is also 3 volt. Okay, and now next you want to find the voltage drop across 1 ohm resistor. So total voltage 12 into corresponding resistance is 1 divided by total resistance 8. So 12 by 8 is 1.5 volt. Okay, so now வெதர் நம்ம ஃபைன் பண்ண வோல்டேஜ்லாம் கரெக்டானு செக் பண்ணுறோம். வாட் இஸ் டோட்டல் வோல்டேஜ் 12 volt. ஸோ ஹியர் ஆட் இட் 7.5 is 7.5 plus 3 10.5. Okay, so these two voltages are same. So 10.5 plus 1.5 is 12 volts. So total voltage is 12 volt. You understand? Okay, thank you.